And the SHIB was one of the many cryptocurrencies that hiked on the back of the general market's uptick. After a period of sustained bullish movement, though, the last few days saw the meme coin stall somewhat on the charts. And so, even so, the crypto's investors are in a very profitable situation right now. That's on the price front, but Shiba Inu's developmental front isn't lagging behind either. For example, Shibarium, the L2 blockchain network developed by the creators of the SHIB ecosystem, and surpassed the milestone of 4 million transactions a few weeks ago. The numbers have since risen on the charts too. In the real world, the meme coin made headlines after crypto payments processor BitPay announced that car loans can now be paid for with cryptocurrencies, including SHIB. And it feels good.
Good news, the BitPay app lets you settle car loans with Bitcoin or other crypto. There's another content informer and TV, a product movie in.
Discover the simplicity of repaying your auto debt with digital currency and our concise guide to BitPay, Bill Pay, hashtag BitPay, Batiste Coin, 5/8 auto loans, BitPay, November 23rd, 2023. Popular sports personalities like SHIB with Filipino boxing legend Manny Pacquiao announcing that his charitable foundation will use the meme coins network for fundraising. The Manny Pacquiao Foundation will incorporate Shibarium within the foundation's operation. Thank you at SHIB Token for the amazing article in the second edition of the SHIB, and we're so excited about this partnership. Thank you. Hashtag and hashtag the SHIB magazine, hashtag SHIB Army, hashtag Pacquiao. Manny Pacquiao Foundation, keep people in foundation. November 15th, 2023, in a whirlwind of cryptocurrency fervor, meme coins propelled by vibrant communities have seized the spotlight. SHIB emerged as a major player, riding the waves of community support rather than real-world utility. Such has been the craze in the past as well. A&B Crypto has inquired about what AI bots like ChatGPT think of SHIB. The tale began in 2020 when an enigmatic figure or a group named Ryoshi started SHIB as an ironical tribute to the eponymous Japanese dog breed, also Dogecoin's mascot. Now, a parody of the crypto frenzy, the project started from zero with zero, in the spirit of creating something out of nothing. It wasn't founded by an existing community, visual, or pre-assembled team, and SHIB, an Ethereum-based ERC20 token, quickly soared in popularity due to its charismatic SHIB army and strategic endorsements by online influencers. Notably, Elon Musk's foray into Dogecoin's world also fueled SHIB's meteoric rise. SHIB Army, a passionate community, spearheaded SHIB's success, accumulating over 27 million% in price rise from January to October 2021. In July 2021, saw the emergence of ShibaSwap, SHIB's decentralized exchange. It marked a paradigm shift, adopting the automated market maker model that allowed users to dig, provide liquidity, bury, fetch, retrieve, and swap SHIB, leash, and bone tokens. The innovative passive income reward system, along with a 6-month lock rule, brought a new dimension to the DeFi landscape. While skeptics viewed SHIB as a pump-and-dump coin lacking real-world utility, its decentralized meme token status found resonance within the crypto community. The SHIB token, encapsulated in the Wolf paper, aimed to experiment with spontaneous decentralized community building, putting power back into the hands of people. Positioned as the Dogecoin killer, SHIB is often cheered on to surpass its precursor. Ryoshi, the mysterious creator, stirred a storm in the crypto realm by transferring 50% of SHIB's supply to Ethereum's Vitalik Buterin. The transfer of such a huge sum being gifted to an individual triggered debates around SHIB's decentralization. This move fueled controversy, raising questions about decentralization. However, Buterin's unprecedented burn of SHIB tokens worth $6.6 billion alleviated concerns and showcased SHIB's resilience. The uniqueness of the Shiba Inu ecosystem lies in its colossal total supply and astronomical 1 quadrillion tokens, and SHIB's market presence expanded as it secured listings on major exchanges, including Coinbase, Binance, Huobi, and KuCoin. The American exchange Robinhood, however, remained cautious due to security concerns, and the roadmap for SHIB's future remains shrouded in secrecy, with developers hinting at potential coin burns and a metaverse entry, signaling continued evolution. In a recent revelation, Now Nodes, a prominent node operator and blockchain API developer, declared Shiba Inu's Shibarium Layer 2 solution as one of the best performing networks in the blockchain technology, and Now Nodes conveyed that Shibarium has proven to be a standout performer, processing over 66 million requests since its launch in August this year. And taken to X, formerly Twitter, Now Nodes expressed enthusiasm, stating, Shibarium Net was one of the best performing networks in our ecosystem this month, and our team prepared a milestone report dedicated to the success, most recent updates, and highlights of the network. Now Nodes had been an early supporter of Shibarium, extending its support both before and after the Layer 2 solution's launch. Shibarium Net was one of the best performing networks in our ecosystem this month. Our team prepared a milestone report dedicated to the success, most recent updates, and highlights of the network. Get into our new medicine. And I show you Now Nodes, November 3rd of 2023, and Shibarium's success lies in its robust performance, making it the most utilized L2 network in terms of providing seamless transactions to users. Shining competitors, Shibarium has remained active and dynamic, with users consistently initiating transactions on the platform, have a bigger marple, while Shiba Inu has often been labeled a meme coin, characterized by its playful dog-themed branding and community-driven nature. It's important to note that the term doesn't diminish its impact. Despite originating as a meme, the token has evolved beyond its initial classification. With a dedicated community and initiatives like the Shibarium L2 solution, Shiba Inu demonstrates resilience and innovation in the crypto space. The meme coin label may overlook the substantial developments within the Shiba Inu ecosystem, reflecting a broader shift in perception from a meme-based token to a dynamic player in Conroe. Curious as to whether SHIB could break free of the public perception of being labeled a meme coin, I asked ChatGPT about it. The results were interesting. And ChatGPT seems to think that Shiba Inu's association with meme coins, stemming from its meme-inspired origins, doesn't confine its potential. Labels are limiting, and Shiba Inu, like a metaphorical jailbreaker, has the tools to transcend them. The key lies in visionary leadership, ongoing innovation, and a robust community. Beyond memes, Shiba Inu can redefine its narrative, becoming a substantial force in the crypto realm. The power is vested in those who recognize its disruptive potential. So rather than viewing it through the lens of a meme coin, Shiba Inu has the opportunity to rewrite its story and it emerge as a formidable player. And Shiba Inu's meteoric rise finds roots in the dual engines of influential endorsements and a fervent community. Elon Musk, the tech magnate with a penchant for crypto, significantly impacted Dogecoin and Shiba Inu's trajectory through his tweets and TV appearances. His endorsements, even mentions, created a ripple effect, drawing attention to the meme-inspired token. This phenomenon, often dubbed the Elon effect, illuminated Shiba Inu in the crypto sphere. Yet the community's role was equally pivotal. The Shiba Inu community, characterized by passionate holders, actively propagated the token's appeal. Social media platforms became virtual battlegrounds for Shiba enthusiasts, amplifying the token's visibility. The strong community support fortified Shiba Inu against market fluctuations and skepticism, creating a self-sustaining ecosystem. I hovered over to ChatGPT for the AI's take on this. Curiously enough, the response suggested much more. ChatGPT seems to think the Shiba Inu phenomenon reflects a shared aspiration to challenge the established financial order, seeking novel avenues for wealth creation. While influencers and communities act as catalysts, the fervor is sustained by a fundamental desire for change and an exploration of uncharted territories in the crypto landscape. It is a reminder that beyond the hype lies a profound quest for redefining financial paradigms. There also seems to be a passion for embracing the transformative potential of a lot more decentralized technologies. Shiba Inu, in essence, becomes a symbol of this collective journey toward a decentralized and dynamic financial future. SHIB was trading at 10.000046 at press time, and the meme coin had fallen significantly in mid-November following a brief rally earlier in the month. However, SHIB surged soon after, with the crypto hiking from 0.000000800 to its present-day valuation. That being said, the last few days did see SHIB depreciating from a higher price level, and SHIB's indicators flashed some mixed signals across the board. At the time of writing, the parabolic SARS dotted markers were well below the price candles, a sign of bearish or control. On the contrary, the MACD had crossed over the signal line following a bullish crossover, and I asked ChatGPT to predict the SHIB's price within a week, given its current price. The AI bot predicted SHIB to rise to $10,009 within a week, a rise of less than 10% on the part of SHIB over the next 7 days. It's a reasonable expectation by all means. And I then asked ChatGPT to predict SHIB's price towards the end of 2024. The bot forecasted a price of $5,200 for SHIB by the end of 2024, a 2.5 times rise within a year. And I must say that's a very reasonable estimate, given ChatGPT's energy-frequent forecasts of exceedingly high price surges. And every crypto enthusiast following SHIB would have wondered, will SHIB reach $1 or even $0.1? Considering the latter scenario, which seems more likely than the former, I wondered if ChatGPT would be equally positive about it as I was. And ChatGPT's response was too ambiguous, to say the least. And it said, making predictions about the price of cryptocurrencies like Shiba Inu is akin to navigating uncharted waters. So even so, it remains positive that $0.1 is within the realms of possibility as far as SHIB is concerned. The meme coin doesn't exist in isolation, though. SHIB, while a meme coin, is also influenced by other factors, just like other cryptocurrencies. Ergo, while $1 is a realistic target, not an easy one. As an investor or a trader, one must thus approach such forecasts with caution. By and large, the crypto market indicates that success hinges on various dynamic factors, such as community support and broader market trends. How much are 10,100 SHIBs worth today? Shibarium has done admirably, exceeding people's expectations by doing so. However, it alone might not be enough to push the meme coin to new heights. That being said, the latest market uptick has come at a good time and could mean a profitable future for the meme coins investors. If everything works out well, $0.1 can come around sooner rather than later. Investors should thus dire and look out for the right and wrong signs